So when we get home, the first thing we do is pull out this bad dog. It's just a sprinkler, and while we pack out of the car, we put that underneath and just let it sort of get that sand off underneath. Under the car. I got this super handy tool that I use to clean the chassis with. So I'll show you guys where I put this in when I clean the body. Should be able to see. Oh, sorry. So you should be able to see where I actually put it in here, and you see all the sand that comes out. This is such a good tool to get into those little holes, into all the nooks and crannies, yeah? What's in here? It's a bit of a, like, obviously tedious job and stuff, but it's really important that you do it, because if you don't get all this salt out, it's just going to corrode your chassis and cause problems down the road. So after I've done that, I'm gonna go over with the salt exterminator. I love these products, and also knowing that I get all that salt off, so go and check them out. I actually have a discount code in my Instagram bio, so if you use ExploreJimny on the page, you get 10% off, so that's pretty good. So what I do then, so I just put, it's always a mission. There you go. There. So I've used about this much of the product, and then fill the rest up with water. And then you normally let it soak for about 10 minutes. Yeah, I must say it's looking pretty schmick now. It's looking pretty good. Gotten all the CT18 out of there, and the radiator is not really wet at all, which is good. But yeah, I think it's good when I've been up the beach, try and get that surface sand away from the engine, because having that, like, every time you go up the beach and if you don't clean it, it's just gonna probably end up being an issue down the road. But so what I do now is just wipe over it, make sure it dries properly so you don't get those watermarks from the water and stuff, because it just doesn't look that good. So yeah, now I'm gonna wipe over it. So moving over to the vacuuming, I try to sort of get as much sand out as possible when I do this, because it stores itself along the rail here, as you can see, and like in there and underneath the seat. So normally I just tend to like pop this thing off. Yeah, when you clean here, pop this one off, because it's so much easier for you to get in between here and the seat. Hard to move one hand, but there you go. Yeah, so here you actually get more room to get in between the seat and all the sand that's here. Yeah, so that's it. I'm so sweaty right now because I've been cleaning for a while. But yeah, I've just cleaned the inside and given it a good clean with some sort of antibacterial wiping, surface wiping or whatever. You can get the ones that are for the cars, which are pretty good, and they smell like the new car. So I normally use that, but I was empty of it. But yeah, I hope you liked this video, and yeah, it was about time that I showed you guys how I clean it. And yeah, just remember cleaning the chassis, and you don't have to clean it as thorough as I did in this video. It was more like as a demonstration. But if you need, if you want to buy any of the products that I was using, you can buy most of them at Supercheap, or you can buy the 4-wheel drive triple threat package from 4-wheel drive detail, and use my ExploreJimny code for 10% off. But yeah, that was it. Done at Double O, and back to work tomorrow. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah.